This incredible home is located in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Colorado Springs, Wolf Ranch. Welcome to 10227 Kentwood Drive. This home offers the perfect combination of lifestyle, energy efficiency, and incredible upgrades and is ready to move in. This home is so warm and inviting and welcomes you with warm hickory flooring that extends through the open living space. I love how open this floor plan feels. It allows everyone to stay connected, whether you're relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home. The kitchen and family room are open and inviting. The gourmet kitchen features quartz countertop and stainless steel appliances, and the oversized quartz island is perfect for entertaining, doing homework, and gathering. One feature I love is the smart kitchen faucet. It's one of those little conveniences that quickly becomes something you wonder how you ever lived without. The family room and cozy fireplace are right off the kitchen, and you'll find an eat-in nook that leads directly to the back-covered patio. This backyard is one of my favorite spaces. It's flat, usable, beautifully maintained, and offers plenty of room for children, pets, gardening, or simply relaxing with friends on a Colorado summer evening. This is the kind of yard that families can actually use. The primary suite really elevates this home. Behind the French doors, you'll find a true retreat featuring a private sitting room that's perfect for reading, working remotely, or enjoying your morning coffee. The luxurious 5-piece bath and spacious walk-in closet complete the space to make it feel more like a boutique hotel than a typical bedroom. The main level also features a second bedroom that is perfect for multi-generational living or a guest room, home office, or hobby space. Downstairs, you'll discover an entire second living area with 9-foot ceilings, an expansive family room. There are so many options for use. Additionally, 2 oversized bedrooms and another full bathroom offer incredible flexibility. Whether you envision movie nights, multi-generational living, a teen retreat, or the ultimate entertainment space, this is ready to fit into your lifestyle. Beyond the beautiful finishes, I appreciate the home's smart design. Solar panels, a tankless hot water recirculation system, and smart home technology help make daily living both more efficient and comfortable. What truly helps make this property special is the community it's in. Enjoy a short walk after dinner to Wolf Lake, where you can even paddleboard, miles of walking and biking trails, community parks, a rec center, pools, a splash park, playgrounds, and even summer concerts under the stars. It is also conveniently located in award-winning Academy School District 20 with quick access to shopping, dining, healthcare, Powers Boulevard, Highway 83, and I-25, making community through Colorado Springs and even to Denver remarkably convenient. If you are looking for an immaculate move-in ready home in an amenity-rich, community-focused environment, then this is the home for you.